What is up, everybody? Today I'm going to do what I promised, and we are going to do a driving video on the S2000. That is what we're doing. In this video, I'm not going to waste a lot of time doing some walk around the car and explaining everything. If you guys want to know more about the build, more about the car, obviously check out the other videos. We're just going to do the basics. We're just going to drive the car around a little bit. I'll talk about it. We'll do some pulls. I have GoPro mounts on the front right fender, and then I got one on the back there so we can see some exhaust footage, and then some outside footage of the car doing some pulls. And then other than that, that's going to be the video. So first off the bat, I just want to say I'm thrilled. This thing runs and drives amazing. I'm so freaking happy with it. So happy with the setup. Very happy with the power and just the overall car. It drives like stock until you mat on it. It has AC, electric power steering still there. Like, all the commodities are still there. I didn't have to give anything up. But I will say, having the turbo kit on here now and having the exhaust run through the turbo, and with the test pipe and the HKS, I've heard saying, well, the car's not that loud at all. I thought, I knew it was going to be, the sound would be reduced because I've had turbo cars, but man, it's like the perfect kind of loud. Just start up, idle, and low RPM cruising stuff. It's not obnoxious loud. Nobody's looking at you, nobody's paying attention. Different story when you rip on it. Like, when you floor this thing, I have an open dump, so straight to atmosphere, it gets pretty rowdy. We're just cruising. Here's third gear. Rolling into it. See, even in there, in third gear, it's starting to spin just a little bit. 460 horsepower in this car is an awesome power for the street. Being able to hear all the turbo sounds, the whistles, the blow-off valve, the freaking open dump tube. So much more fun to drive. Pleasing to my ears. So here we go from second. Third. Dude, it just rips. It's such a small car, as you know if you have one. It's so nimble. And then you add this power. It's like being in a go-kart with a freaking street bike motor in it. So it's just fun. Obviously, again, the boost bike gear definitely makes the car more enjoyable. I know a lot of guys just go straight off the wastegate, running, a vacuum liner straight from your turbo to the wastegate and running off spring pressure. But a Mac valve or electronic boost controller, whatever you want to call it, is very inexpensive and super. Just all the benefits you get from it is definitely worth the money you spend. You can set up boost bike gear, obviously, and then you can ramp the boost in to kind of get the, a more linear power curve, which is really nice. And then it targets boost pressure when the air temperature outside changes. You're not jacking around with a freaking manual boost controller. And this is a little different road here. I'm going to try to pull out and do like a first, second, third. So much more fun. And how do you not like the sounds of that? I mean, it sounds amazing. In my opinion. Again, the video does not do it justice as far as how it feels and the power. It just doesn't. It does not do it justice. feel it. It's not the same. It is not the same. The video is not the same. It's a great power to be at in this car. But that being said, I do see why guys go E85 shortly after. If they go from pump, if they go from a pump to, you know, whatever you can make on pump. Again, like I said, 460 was the most we could safely make on pump, so that's where we stopped. But now I kind of understand why guys go for that E. You know, you get a little seat time in the car, you get used to the power, and you're kind of like, well, maybe a little, just a little bit. I understand that. And I will say it's nice just to have, not even the wide open throttle stuff, it's nice just to have some passing around people power. Like, you know, the car doesn't make a bunch of torque from the factory. Obviously in the NA, you know, the NA doesn't make a lot of power in general. So when you drop a gear and you want to go around somebody, you don't have to like lay into the thing. I mean, obviously I'm laying into it every time, I don't care. But I will say you don't have to. If you're just pulling out, make sure nobody's in the way. I'm not gonna rip on it first. Second, I'm just giving it some gas. Third. It's not, again, I'm not ripping on the car like that. It's just nice to have that little bit of extra, you know, when you're getting on, you know, the on-ramp or getting into traffic and stuff like that. It's nice to have that kind of extra little bit of power. But I'm not gonna lie, it is really hard to not get on it all the time in this car. Now that I have the power, it's just like I don't know. It's bad enough with VTEC. You love the VTEC crossover? Okay, now add boost. Yeah, you're doing it all the time. Like, I don't even need to. Like, I get up, like, oh, I'm just gonna go to, I guess I'll just go to the store, and then before you know it, you're just, and the store was only like 2 minutes away. So, yeah. So if you're thinking about going boost, and you're on the fence, and you've got the resources and or the money to do so, just telling you, do it. Do it, whether it be supercharger. I'm sure supercharger is awesome too. Turbo, I'm happy I went turbo. I've ridden in a supercharged car, and I own this now, so having felt both, I'd rather have this. I really think the supercharger would be more reliable, less issues, no heat problems. You know, I really like this. I like this setup better. Just the power delivery feel of it, if that makes any sense. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was kind of a good, I don't know, I hope it did the car justice, which again, I know it didn't. Very happy with it, very satisfied with the power for now. Probably gonna go E85 at the end of the year, turn it up a little bit more. And then we'll just grenade diffs and low transmissions, and it's gonna be real fun. So that'll give me a lot of content. How to change your transmission, how to put a new differential in. It's gonna be fun. So if I didn't have anything to make a video about, give me a few more months and we'll definitely have some more content. So that pretty much wraps up today's video. Again, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you like the video, hit that like button. I do have some videos that will be coming very soon. I've got something coming in the mail, so we put that on the car. We'll do a video on it, a little product review, whatever. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. Peace.